4 महिन्या उपरांत मान्सूनाची परती चालू असतानाच अरबी दर्यात कमी दाबाचो पट्टो जाल्ल्यान वादळी वारे आणि मोठ्या उटंगाराची परिस्थिती उप्रासल्या. पावसान अकस्मात नेट धरला. बुधवारा फातोर्डे सावन पावसान नेट धरलो. दिसभर दमळ आणि पावस. शेनवार मेरेन पावसाचो नेट उरपाची शक्यताय हवामान खात्यान उक्तायल्या. तातूंत शुक्रारा रेड अलर्ट दिला. उटंगारा बरोबर 3-4 दीस जगलाक गडगड आणि वादळी वाऱ्याची शिटकावणी हवामान खात्यान दिल्या.
So as on today, 23rd of October 2019, there is a weather system called well-marked low pressure area which is existing in East Central Arabian Sea. In vicinity of that, we have issued extremely heavy rainfall warning for Goa on 25th of October. Extremely heavy rainfall in the sense we are expecting rainfall exceeding 20 centimeters in 24 hours at one or two locations in Goa region. So because of this proximity of depression, this rainfall will be increased, and as the system is slowly coming towards east direction, from tomorrow onwards the rainfall activity over Goa is going to increase. So we had actually issued the press release and warnings from Monday itself for this particular system, and as the system is approaching, there are a set of warnings for fishermen also. Whether within 75 kilometers from the coast is expected to be squally, so fishermen are advised not to venture into sea for the coming 3 days. After that, when the system recurves, it will reach to East Central Arabian Sea, and on 26th and 27th, fishermen are advised not to venture into East Central Arabian Sea. This rainfall activity will slightly reduce from 26th onwards, so it will be request to the public that they abstain from outdoor activities, particularly on 25th when we are expecting extremely heavy rainfall.
प्रुडंटा खातीर लौकीक शिलकार आणि चेतन गवस.